Alright, Peppermaniac Pod Review. Today we got the Hurt Berry. This is a scorching hot pepper. I've had it before. It's a Reaper crossed with a Jigsaw. And then after that it was crossed with a Moruga UV. So it's a three-way cross. Created by Graham Warburton out of the UK. That's just gnarly. Look at that thing. You can just tell that's painful. Try to cut it right down the stinger here. I failed. It's hard cutting it right down the stinger. I need a better knife. Woo! Evil. And we're gonna eat it. Look at that oil. See the oil pooling up in there? Ouch. Here we go. Wait, smell. So smell-wise, smells fruity and floral. Just as hot as I remember. Ooh, it's hot. I know it seems like I chew for a very long time, but there's a reason for it. It really helps with your gut, the capsaicin cramps. If you chew it up just like so much, if you're swallowing chunks of it, it's really going to upset your stomach more than if you really chew it up very good. So just a little tip. If you're eating hotter peppers than you're used to, chew them up really good, and it won't hit your stomach as bad. Ooh, it's a screaming hot pepper. Every bit as hot as a Reaper or a Primo. I got a whole tongue burn right now. I feel it creeping to the back of my throat already. The taste is actually very fruity. And just a tiny bit floral. Most super hots that are this hot have a pretty floral taste, most of them. And this one is mostly fruity. A little bit of smokiness. And just a tiny bit floral. It's really good tasting pepper. It'd be really good for powders or sauces or anything like that. Really good tasting. And they just look awesome. Pretty, I've grown them before and they're pretty uniform with the stingers and the bumpiness. A lot of varieties, when you grow them, it's like hit and miss. If it has a stinger, it doesn't have a stinger. These all pretty much uniform in shape. So pretty stabilized. Got some oil on the blade. Definitely a hot pepper. But I will say my tolerance is at a pretty good spot right now. I never claim to be have the highest tolerance out of anybody or can eat the most peppers or the hottest peppers than anybody, but I think I'm building up a pretty good tolerance. Yeah, great pepper. Recommend growing it. Recommend eating it. See you on the next one.